Hey everyone, today I'm back with a new quick and easy hair tutorial. So I'm starting out with stretched hair like I do most of the time. I will link my heat-free method for stretching my natural hair below for you guys if you haven't seen that. The first step is to divide the hair in half by making a part right down the middle from front to back. Now each half is going to be made into a ponytail, so working on one side at a time, I'm gently detangling with a wide tooth comb to make sure I don't have any knots in my hair. Then I'm using some gel and applying that all around the perimeter to help get my hair super sleek. Smooth it and brush it all up at the top of my head, then make a high ponytail. With this loose hair, I'm making a 2-strand twist all the way down. And then wind it very tightly around itself to make as small of a bun as possible. So I went ahead and did the same on the other side, and now it's time to get into the style. So I'm going to be using 2 of these curly drawstring ponytails that I picked up for just a few bucks from my local beauty supply store. It comes with 2 combs, one at the top and one at the bottom, as well as an adjustable drawstring. So before putting it on, I'm gonna tighten the drawstring some so that it forms sort of like a cupped cavity, and then place that right on top of my little bun using the combs to attach it to the base of my ponytail that I made. Then go ahead and tighten the drawstring the rest of the way to completely secure it. Now we're left with this string, and of course we don't want that showing, so I'm gathering it all up and using a bobby pin, I'm gonna pin that down underneath the curl so it is completely hidden. Pop on the other curly puff, tighten it, hide the drawstring, and now we're looking like this. Next, I'm just using my fingers to pick apart the curls a bit to make it look a lot more realistic and natural, and also to shape it and make it nice and full and fluffy. And here you can see the difference between this side and that side. So I'm going to go ahead and fluff out the other puff. Last step for a finishing touch, I'm going to apply more gel right at my hairline and then using a hair toothbrush to shape and smooth my edges. And bada bing, bada boom, this is what we have, guys. I love that it's perfect for spring and summer when it's hot out since the hair is up and out of the way. It's also a really convenient do if you have shorter hair and you want a bigger, fuller look, or if you just want to get a defined curly style in a matter of minutes, but you don't have the time to curl and set your hair. This works perfectly for that. So I hope you all enjoyed this easy updo tutorial, and I will catch you very soon on my next one.